People are often surprised by this, but Koreans eat curry pretty often. Usually it's made with pork, but today I'm using chicken legs. Same comfort, different protein. Quick food history moment. Curry traveled from the UK to Japan and eventually made its way to Korea. And if you grew up in Korea, you probably met curry at school lunch. Unfortunately, school lunch curry was usually not great. So if we eat curry outside, it's usually Japanese style curry or Indian curry. By the way, Japanese curry is usually sold in solid blocks rather than powder. In Korea, curry powder is more common. The product I'm using today comes with 3 separate packets: curry powder, broth base, and spices. This is in the usual way, but my sister adds milk to make the curry softer and more mellow for her kids. In Korea, curry is usually eaten with rice. And yes, we almost always eat it with kimchi. Flatbread with Korean curry isn't very common, to be honest. But today I decided to try it. We'll see how it goes. Here's the ultimate team: kimchi, curry, and rice. And their cousin living overseas, naan, the flatbread. Once you add kimchi on top of curry and rice, it instantly becomes 100% Korean style curry. I graduated a long time ago, but somehow this makes me miss that questionable school lunch curry. The combination with naan works better than I expected. If you're curious about the recipe, check the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.